Good day, folks. How are we doing today? Welcome to Northern Grower Life. Just a little update on what's going on in the tents today. We're at day 62 on flower. I think we're on day 3 now for the new seedlings. We got the freak show growing back there. She's just starting to kick in now with our new transplanting I did there last week. I got the time lapse going at the moment, so all these new sprouts are for the outdoors. We got 6 of the frostberry, which is a photo period, but it's an early flowering one. And the 2 on the end down there by the Candy Freak are anvils. They're inbred cross, and they're autoflower, so all those are going to be going outside. Of course, I'll get rid of a few to bring it down to what it's supposed to be. Got to keep it at 4. I don't want to have 4 for sure have 4 of the frostberry anyway, with 1 male, so we can try and get some seeds for future seasons. And so that's an update on this one. The freak's just gonna stay growing, and I'm gonna bush her out, maybe turn her into a mom. I gotta let her get a little bit mature so I can actually sex it first and be sure we have a female. She's been a slow grower to start, so I don't know how long that's gonna take, but anyhow, that'll be pretty much what's going in here, because pretty soon these are going outside, and the ones in the flowering tent here are just about done. Let's see how they're looking to. They're on day 62. One is slightly ahead of the other, but they're definitely yellowing out, getting rather stinky. And this one, the hairs are golden. It's a little bit further. The purple one in the back is still got a bit more white hairs going. Tiny bit of foxtailing. Those are both fast buds, autos, and I'd say they're in their last week. I'll be checking trichomes soon. I just watered them last night, and all seems to be good. So far the GGS sensor is working just fine. And there we are. That's the update for today. It's going to be a beautiful sunny day, so I'm going to get out and do some outdoor gardening. But anyhow, if you've watched this so far and you like the content, or if you have any questions, like, subscribe, make a comment, ring in on the community Discord there, and let me know what you'd like to see. More information, specific videos about certain topics. Thanks for watching anyway, and have a nice day.